This lecture contains previous year boards question and answers of first chapter operating system. There are 6 questions which are asked from first chapter operating system in board's question paper 2024. Let's see one by one. The first question is based on the components of the GUI. Basically, there are many components of a GUI, but they have asked only the 3 of them. Let's see what is meant by GUI first. The GUI, a graphical user interface, a user-friendly way to interact with a computer or electronic device using pictures, icons, buttons, etc. The first component is a menu bar. A menu bar is normally present at the top of the window under the window title. Some of the commonly used menu options are File, Edit, Help, etc. Second is a scroll bar. The scroll bar allows users to scroll vertically or horizontally. Then the title bar. The title bar appears at the top of the window. The title bar shows the title of each window. The title helps to identify each window separately. The 3 of the components is for the 3 marks. Basically, the 1 component is for the 1 marks. So at least you have to write the 3 points of each. Let's see the second question. This is for the 4 marks. Each term contains 1 marks. These all are the types of the priority. Basically, priority means that some things get more importance than the another because it's important or urgent. Let's see the first type of priority in external priority. An external priority is specified by the user externally, generally at the time of initializing the process. In many cases, the operating system allows user to change the priority externally even during its execution. If the user does not specify any external priority at all, the operating system assumes a certain priority called as a default priority. Let's see the second type, internal priority. The concept of internal priority is used by scheduling algorithm. They base the calculation on the current state of processes. Each user, while filtering a process, can be forced to specify the expected time that the process is likely to take for completion. The operating system can then set internal priority, which is highest for the shortest job, SJF, shortest job first algorithm, so that at only a little extra cost to large job, short jobs will complete. These are two advantages. If short jobs are finished faster, the number of processes competing for CPU will be decreased. The number of satisfied users will increase. Let's see the third question. This question is for the 3 marks. We have to write the function of the information management and 4 system calls in it. What is meant by information management? What are its functions? Let's see. The information management provides the facility to store, retrieve, modify or remove the information on files, dictionaries. This system services manage the organization of information into files and dictionaries by allocating memory space to them. Let's see the system services means system calls provided under the information management. Create a file, create a dictionary, open a file for read write purpose, explore a dictionary, then choose a file, then read data from file to buffer, write data from buffer to file, then move file pointer, and many of them. The fourth question. Explain in short any 4 ways by which system security can be attacked. This question is for the 4 marks. We have to write 4 ways. Each ways contain 1 marks. Let's see the first, trapdoors. Sometimes software engineers leave some secret entry point to modify their programs. These are called trapdoors. They can be misused by others. Second, rogue software. Certain programs like worms, virus attacked on system. Third, authentication means verification of access to system resources. There are some ways in which authentication may take place. First, by sealing and using somebody else's password and then use it. Second, use of vendor supplied passwords which can be used by only system administrator. Third, finding password by trial and error guess method. Fourth, if a user logs on and then goes off, an intruder can use their terminal. Fifth, writing dummy login passwords to fool the users. The fourth is the waste recovery. By using some techniques, deleted files can be restored, passwords may be recollected. These are the 4 ways by which system security can be attacked. We have to write the 4 of them. Fifth question is, what is partitioning? Explain fixed and variable partitioning in short. This question is for 3 marks. Let's see what is meant by partitioning first. A certain operating system uses partition memory management to allow multi-programming. Partitioning means dividing main memory into various sections. These sections are called partitions. There are 2 types of partitioning. First is variable partitioning. Second is fixed partitioning. First, variable partitioning, in which the main memory is not divided into the partitions and the process is allocated a chunk of free memory that is big enough for it to fix. Like the first process of 130K, the second process is of 250K, the third process is of 100 and fourth 115K. The second is a fixed partitioning. In this process, the main memory is divided into fixed size partitionings, which can be of equal and unequal size. Whenever we have to allocate a process memory, then a free partitioning that is big enough to hold the process is found. Like the first process is of 16 MB. Then the second process is also of 16 MB, third 16, fourth 16. Every partitioning is of the same size. We cannot change it. Sixth question. What is virtual memory? Explain following terms in virtual memory. First page fault, second dirty page. This is for the 4 marks. The first page fault. In many systems, when a process is executing with only a few pages in the memory and when an instruction is encountered which refers to any instructions or data in some other page which is outside the main memory on the disk, a page faults occur. Let's see the second dirty page. A page which is modified after it is loaded in main memory from disk. It is known as the dirty page. The operating system maintains 1 bit for each physical page frame to denote whether a page has become dirty or not. This bit is called dirty bit. So, our 6 questions of operating system 2024 question paper of boards has completed. Like and subscribe for another lessons question and answers video. Thank you.